Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I am a circus performer and primary school teacher here in Northern Ireland. My little helper is named Humphrey. He is an African pygmy hedgehog and we're so excited to be here today with Strand Art Centre based in East Belfast to bring you a science and art workshop to keep you busy while we're all staying safe at home. Like many of you, my pupils in school have been doing lots of home learning, and this week they've been learning about the ocean. They find out why it's important to protect our oceans and all about the fantastic creatures who live there. Their favourite activity this week was named Ocean in a Bottle, and that is the activity that Humph and I are going to be sharing with you today. We often hear about how important it is that we reduce waste and we reuse things where possible, and this activity is just perfect for that. You will be reducing waste because you will be preventing a plastic bottle from going in the bin, and you will be reusing a single-use plastic, transforming it into a piece of art that you'll be able to keep for a long time. You'll need just a few materials for this. You may have them at home already, and if not, they're really easy to get hold of in the local shop. You'll need some water, some food dye, an empty bottle, some glitter, some cooking oil, and if you want, some small stones, pebbles or shells, which you can add to your ocean in a bottle. Let's get started. First, make sure your bottle is clean, and then remove the label and any sticky stuff that is attached to the outside. Now it's time to colour the water. Add the food dye to the water. And mix it up. I have chosen blue as an ocean colour, but you could create a really imaginative ocean with pink or purple, or even mix two colours together for something truly unique. Now it's time to add the water to your bottle. A filter will come in very handy, or you can just pour extremely carefully. Fill the bottle about halfway full. Now it's time to add glitter. If you can find bio glitter, it's much kinder to the environment. In my classroom, we say, never too much glitter, so let's make this sparkle. Next, we're going to add the cooking oil. This is very fun, but a little bit messy, so you might want to ask a grown-up to help you. Top up the bottle, but don't fill it right to the top. If you want to add any little pebbles, shells, or small toys to your bottle, now's the time to do it. This next stage is extremely important. Ask an adult to help you to screw the lid of the bottle on securely. This will make sure that your ocean in a bottle stays in a bottle and does not accidentally become an ocean on the kitchen floor. When you have finished creating your ocean in a bottle, it's time to investigate. You might notice that it works best when gently rolled from side to side to create waves, bubbles and patterns. My class observed that the oil floats to the top and the water sinks to the bottom. This is due to density. The oil is much less dense than the water. The molecules are less tightly packed together, so no matter which way you turn the bottle, the oil will float to the top, the water will sink to the bottom. I'll let you investigate to see where the glitter goes. My pupils also really enjoyed shaking up their ocean in a bottle to create many, many bubbles. And they find it very relaxing to set it on a table or shelf and watch as the oil and the water settle back to their positions. We thought it would be really interesting to add an art challenge to our workshop today. That's coming up next. We know that many people who visit Strand Art Centre are not just big movie fans, you're also very keen artists. So we wanted to add an art challenge to our workshop today. We've been watching lots of classic movies at home, and one of our favourites is The Little Mermaid. We found some pictures of Ariel, Ursula, Flounder and Sebastian and added them to an ocean in a bottle. We think it looks really effective. My pupils in school suggested that kids might like to make a Finding Nemo ocean in a bottle. You could find some pictures on the internet, or you could draw some of your own. Whatever you get up to, we would absolutely love to see. You can share your pictures or videos with us by messaging Strand Art Centre on Facebook or tagging Strand Art Centre on Instagram. That is all from Humph and I for now. We hope you really enjoyed making an ocean in a bottle. Thank you so much to Strand Art Centre for having us. It's always an absolute pleasure. Thank you for watching, and a very special hello to any of my pupils from school who might be watching. I miss you a lot, and I hope you're being superstars at home, just like you always are in school. Everyone, look after yourselves, keep smiling, and we will hopefully see you very soon whenever it is safe to do so. Cheerio.